Welcome to the video tutorial for KNOWITALL, how to perform a mass spectrometry spectral search using the adaptive search function. Adaptive search finds similar compounds where a fragment group can be present or missing compared to the unknown. The presence or absence of a fragment causes some peak positions in reference MS to differ from that of the unknown by a delta mass. KNOWITALL shifts some peaks by the delta mass to achieve a better match. This demonstration has two examples, one wherein exact mass is in a spectrum, and one using an adaptive search wherein nominal mass is not in the spectrum. For the first example, which has the nominal mass in the spectrum, start a new search by clicking the blank page icon unless you've just opened the application. Click Spectrum to navigate to KNOWITALL Training Files 6 Mass Spectrometry. Select the file 2 hydroxybenzoic acid. Click Open. Use the drop-down menu to set the number of components to 1 single and check Adaptive Search if not already done. Click User Select. Use Remove All to clean selected databases if needed. Use the drop-down menu to select MSGC. Select the DB code WMS3X and click Add. Then click Search. Click the butterfly view icon if not already selected. Highlight the second hit, since the first hit is the exact match. For this exercise, let's pretend we do not have the exact match in our databases. The second hit shows a delta mass of 1, which suggests a few possibilities, wherein the unknown's molecular ion mass is 1 unit more than that of the reference. One of them is, in unknown, oxygen replaces nitrogen in reference. Some columns of interest. Delta mass is the molecular ion mass of the unknown minus that of the reference. Delta mass info displays details on reference peak shifts to enable the match. Replacement shows suggestions of possible group exchanges which would cause the difference between unknown and reference molecular ion masses. Click the information icon in the Delta Mass Info column. This brings up the Adaptive Corrections HTML page, which explains how selective peaks have been shifted to obtain a good hit quality index, or HQI. The top spectrum is the unknown. The bottom spectrum is the unshifted reference. The middle spectrum contains shifted peaks. Dotted lines indicate what peaks have been moved by the delta mass. In the middle spectrum, darker red peaks are the additions of existing peaks and moved ones. Now let's complete an adaptive search using an example without exact mass in the spectrum. Go back to Search It. Start a new search by clicking the blank page icon. Click Spectrum and navigate to KNOWITALL Training Files 6 Mass Spectrometry. Select the file 111-trichlorobutane Adaptive Search Demo. Use the drop-down menu to set the number of components to 1 single and check Adaptive Search if not already done. Click User Select. Use Remove All to clean selected databases if need be. Use the drop-down menu to select MSGC. Select the DB code WMS3X and click Add. Then click Search. Click the butterfly view icon if not already selected. Go to the second hit, first being the unknown, which is already in the database. One of the suggestions in the replacement cell makes sense. The unknown should have 1 more chlorine for a delta mass of 34. Thank you for watching this video. For more information and more lessons, please view our tutorials on the Wiley Science Solutions website, linked in the description of this video.